My dear students, previous videos topic is relations. For examples, relations is if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relation is equal to A comma B such that A plus B greater or equal to 2. जो टॉपिक कल पढ़ाया गया रिलेशन उससे रिलेटेड सम एग्जांपल्स. तो देन सॉल्यूशन इज आर 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 and 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 and 5 5. Domain and range sum of then greater or equal to 2. Domain plus range. Today's topic is types of relations. Types of relation is 3 types. First, reflexive. Reflexive means for all A belongs to A implies that A comma A belongs to R. Means its self relations. For examples, above examples 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4 and 5 5 is reflexive relations. For examples, equal relations. Equal relations means A equal to A is reflexive relations. And second relation is symmetric relations. Symmetric relations means if A comma B belongs to R implies that B comma A belongs to R. For all AB belongs to set A. Above examples 1 2 and 2 1, 3 2 and 2 3 is a symmetric relations. Is a perpendicular relation is symmetric relations. Means first line is perpendicular to second line, so then second line is perpendicular to first line is symmetric relations. And last, third is transitive relations. Transitive relations means if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, so implies that A comma C belongs to R for all A, B, C belongs to set A. For examples, 1 greater than 2 and 2 greater than 3, so then 1 greater than 3 is transitive relations. Perpendicular relation is does not the transitive relations. because first line is perpendicular to second line and second line is perpendicular to third line. Then first and third is parallel, is not perpendicular. So then perpendicular relation is a not symmetric transitive relations. For examples, previous class examples is set A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So then relation is R2 A comma B such that A minus B is even numbers. Previous videos examples. Then prove that is reflexive, transitive and symmetric relations. All three types is equivalence relations. Equivalence relations means जिस क्वेश्चन में ये तीनों टाइप्स के रिलेशन अप्लाई करेंगे वो क्या हो जाएंगे आपके इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशंस. फॉर एग्जांपल्स a minus b is a even number. Then first is reflexive relations. Reflexive relations means a minus a is even number. Means first part is R2 is reflexive. Reflexive means if A belongs to A implies that A comma A belongs to R2. This examples means A minus A is equal to 0 and 0 is even number. So then R2 is reflexive relation. Second, R2 is symmetric relations. R2 is symmetric relations means if A comma B belongs to R2 implies that B comma A belongs to R2. For examples, A minus B is even number, so on B minus A is even number. Means R2 is set. R2 is sets. Means इसके होगा solutions. R2 is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1, 2 comma 4, 4 comma 2, so on. Then 5 comma 5 is solutions. So then last topic is R2 is transitive relations. Transitive relations is if A comma B belongs to R2 and B comma C belongs to R2. So implies that A comma C belongs to R2. Means this examples A minus B is even number and B minus C is even number. So adding the both A minus B plus B minus C is equal to A minus C is always even number. Means even plus evens is equal to evens. Evens plus even is equal to evens. So then A minus C is a even number. So for example 1 1 2 1 1 is the reflexive, 1 3 and 3 1 is symmetric, so on the transitive. So R2 is reflexive, R2 is symmetric and R2 is a transitive. So then R2 is equivalence relations. This example is solved. Means इसके थ्रू आपने ये देखा कि ये एग्जाम्पल इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन को अप्लाई करता है.